Hey, what is up, YouTube? Thank you very much for tuning into my channel, Lando Tech, and boy, have I got some interesting news for you. Back in May of 2016, Samsung announced that they'll create a free TV streaming service called Samsung Plus that will be available exclusively on their Samsung devices, like their smart TVs and their smartphones. Fast forward to July of 2021, and Samsung has now made this service available to all devices via their Samsung Plus website. Samsung has not yet made a formal announcement of its new change, nor does it have any marketing material, but accessing Samsung TV Plus is very easy. It's available in 23 countries, including the US. If you're in one of those available countries, simply go to SamsungTVPlus.com. If you're not in one of the available countries, you'll need to use a VPN to give you a US IP address before navigating to Samsung TV Plus. Lucky for you, I have a video in the description below that shows you how to use a free VPN extension called Hola to give you a US IP address. Once you've navigated to SamsungTVPlus.com, from there, you'll see a TV guide that allows you to browse content by genre, as well as find what the next upcoming programs are. This doesn't have the most impressive content out there because it is free after all, but I am assuming the content will keep on expanding and growing as time goes on. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you found this helpful, please click the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe by clicking my logo at the bottom right of this video. Don't forget to click the notification bell to be notified when I drop a new video.